Hi everyone, this is Irina bringing you the Supply Chain Minute from Supply Chain TV. I wanted to bring you outside. I hope that you enjoy the view while we discuss some supply chain topics. So today I actually wanted to revisit a topic that I had discussed in a previous episode, which is around declarations of force majeure from various organizations. So this is a trend that we noticed during the Los Angeles or the West Coast port strikes a few years back, which is really where organizations invoke force majeure or declare force majeure so that they can gain some temporary relief from their contractual expectations because of circumstances that they had no control over. And so what we know at this time is that China has actually issued over 160,000 certificates of force majeure, so the ability for various organizations to declare that. We've also seen large logistics and carriers also invoke that as well. So DHL is one of those organizations. And so the question at large is, how do we think that this is going to impact global supply chains past the time of the current pandemic, and then how are we planning around that? Will this continue to amplify that bullwhip effect? And then, where it comes to manufacturers, how are we going to really start to understand and plan and forecast our supply chain if this is still not yet happened, right? So as we try to schedule our manufacturing and try to understand where our inventories are, and how some of our manufacturing may be impacted by this. How do we know when things are going to really turn back on if some of these organizations that we're dependent on haven't yet completed this process? So I'd love to hear how others are planning for this, and how do we think that this may continue to impact inventories moving forward through the end of 2020. Thanks so much, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.